I have finally done it. Well, to say I've done it, I've done it to a point. Yeah, I've got no grips on the handles, and the back brake is a little bit ropey, but I can ride it. I truly can. Just. Realization is that this thing's not designed for someone of over 6 foot and over 100 plus kilos. That's why my daughter has got an eye on it. I knew it wouldn't last long before she had it off me. But hey ho, there we are. Off we go.
Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away. trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray.
So there you go. That's it going together in segments. There is a few people to thank for the help they've given me and also for the work they've done. So there's Lone Wolf. For some of the videos he's done, I think he was taking apart one. He's taken apart one himself. There is the numerous people out there who have stripped Stumley Archer 3-speed hubs. They've been a massive help. There's been Nev, the upholsterer. Great job on the backrest seat for the sissy bar. CPS Coatings, who did the coat on the bike itself, did the paint job. Absolutely brilliant. There's our local chromers here, who did the sissy bars, handlebars, and also the rear mudguard. Who else is there? Jordan, mustn't forget Jordan for spare parts and for some of the other bits and pieces he's done for me or give me advice on. He's been quite helpful. I'll put these people's links or mobile phone numbers in the description below, so that if you go through this kind of malarkey and you go through and do one of these people have got fountain knowledge or even help, or they've got a service they can provide to do the job for you. I mean, they've all been brilliant. There's been some nice stuff out there. Who else is there? God, there's a couple of others who I forget they are now. The bike barn in Sevenoaks, big help with getting the wheels straightened out, and also the for the bearings on the steer tube, brilliant. So there it is, all done and dusted. Things I've learned: I can't weld to save my life. Clearly the stuff I used just didn't cut the mustard at the end of the day. So if you're going to get stuff welded aluminium, make sure you get it tigged properly. The 3-speed hub is a major mission. What I found there was, after I'd reassembled it all and put it in the bike for the first time, I'd found that I actually put one of the ratchets in the wrong way around. So when you went to pedal, you got about half a turn and the whole thing locked up. Cracking start, really good. So I had to basically strip it all back out again and virtually start again. At least I didn't have to take all the spokes out this time. Ah dear. But yeah, bit of a mission. All I really got to do personally is sort out some grips, and let's sort out the back brake as well, and then my daughter can ride it to her heart's content. Never mind, it happens. Well, if you got any questions, put them in the comments below, or any comments or anything like that, and then I'll move on to the next one, where I'm actually thinking of actually building a chopper bike from the ground up. All I've got to do is find a donor bike where I can chop up all the bits and pieces and go from there. Thanks for watching. I hope you get something out of this. I hope it's worked really well, because I've certainly enjoyed it, even though the wife has really given me ear rolls. But she said for the amount of money I've spent on it, I might as well have bought one. That worked. Yeah, well, never mind. Till the next one. Take it easy.